Okay, I'm ready to fold my little rags one at a time with plenty of space. Make sure it's nice and flat. It has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like the ones that are closest to me and match corner to corner. Smooth it out. And I like to move it this way because now that it's long, one more time, corner to corner. Perfect. Maybe in your house you fold it a little bit differently. Some of you may remember that in the garden room, after we do our first one like this, we move it like this. We can also roll it, just like we roll a rug. In my house, we do rags and things that we clean up messes like this. We have a special bin. But washcloths that we use for when we wash our face, we actually fold this way. So you might need to ask your mom or dad the right way to do each cloth. But after you do it a few times, you'll remember and you'll be able to do it without asking. I'm going to do them all like this today. Feels good.